Are you wondering if YouTube TV has a DVR feature? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain how the DVR function works on the platform. If you're looking to record live TV and watch it later, you'll want to hear this. Yes, YouTube TV offers a powerful cloud DVR feature that lets you record live TV shows, games, and events to watch at your convenience. There's no limit to how many programs you can record, thanks to its unlimited DVR storage, and your recordings are saved for up to 9 months. To use the DVR, simply find the show or event you want to record and click the Record button. You can even set it to record entire series by selecting options like Record All Episodes or New Episodes Only. Once recorded, you can skip commercials during playback, making it a convenient way to enjoy your favorite content. If this video helped you understand how YouTube TV's DVR works, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.